Imagine waking up and finding out that the Ferrari you just bought for $300,000 is now being sold by a new competitor for $500. And the $500 car? It drives just as fast. This isn't a hypothetical. This is exactly what happened this month in the world of AI. A Chinese startup called DeepSeek just released a model that matches GPT-4's intelligence, but for less than 5% of the cost. It panic-sold tech stocks, it terrified Silicon Valley, and it changes everything about how you will use technology in 2026. But is it actually safe to use? And why are people calling this the end of OpenAI? Let's analyze the choice. To understand why this is a revolution, we have to look at the old guard, OpenAI and Google. Their strategy has been simple: bigger is better. To make ChatGPT smarter, they built massive data centers and spent billions on NVIDIA chips. They assumed that no one could catch them because no one else had $100 billion to burn. They built a moat made of money. But while OpenAI was building a luxury cruise ship, DeepSeek was building a speedboat. They didn't try to outspend OpenAI. They outsmarted them. But how did a small team with a fraction of the budget beat the trillion-dollar giants? The secret lies in a technique called distillation, and it's about to make AI free for everyone. Think of it like this. OpenAI spent years reading every book in the library to learn physics. That's expensive. DeepSeek didn't read the library. DeepSeek just asked OpenAI for the answers and memorized the logic. They also used something called mixture of experts. Instead of activating the entire massive brain for a simple question like, what is 2 plus 2? DeepSeek only wakes up the specific part of the brain needed for math. It's efficient, it's lean, and most importantly, it is dirt cheap. This efficiency allows them to offer their premium model for pennies, but price means nothing if the product is garbage. So, I put them to the test. I gave both models 3 next-gen tasks: coding a Python script, analyzing a complex financial stock trend, and writing a creative email. Test 1. Coding. DeepSeek R1 didn't just write the code, it thought through the process visibly. It caught a bug before it even finished writing. OpenAI worked, but DeepSeek was more transparent. Test 2. Finance. Here is the catch. OpenAI is still better at polished human-sounding conversation. DeepSeek feels a bit more robotic. It's raw intelligence without the customer service smile. But there is a dark side to this $0 price tag. Before you switch everything over to DeepSeek, you need to know where your data is actually going. DeepSeek is a Chinese company. While the code is open source, utilizing their servers means your data crosses borders. For personal study or coding, it's probably fine. For your company's confidential financial records, you might want to pause. This forces the next-gen choice. If you are a developer or a student who wants raw power for free, DeepSeek is the winner. If you are a corporate enterprise that needs guaranteed privacy and polish, OpenAI is still the safest bet. For now. The monopoly is over. Prices are crashing. And that means the power is back in your hands. Which one are you going to use? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily insights into your smart money moves. I'll see you in the next one.